Imagine fresh, delicious vegetables growing year-round regardless of the weather. Picture farms that use less water and land producing higher yields with fewer pesticides. This is the promise of hydroponics, a revolutionary method of growing plants without soil. In hydroponics, plants are grown in nutrient-rich water solutions, their roots suspended in a carefully controlled environment. This method allows for precise control over the nutrients each plant receives, optimizing their growth and maximizing yields. Hydroponics offers a glimpse into the future of agriculture, a future where fresh local produce is available to everyone, regardless of their proximity to traditional farmland. Our planet is facing a critical challenge: how to feed a rapidly growing population with dwindling resources. Traditional agriculture, while essential, faces limitations in land availability, water scarcity, and the environmental impact of pesticides and fertilizers. Hydroponics emerges as a powerful solution, offering a sustainable and efficient alternative to traditional farming. By growing vertically and utilizing controlled environments, hydroponic farms can produce significantly more food per square foot compared to conventional methods. This increased efficiency, combined with reduced reliance on pesticides and herbicides, makes hydroponics a key player in ensuring global food security for generations to come. Providing the right balance of nutrients is crucial for healthy plant growth in any farming system. In hydroponics, where plants rely entirely on the nutrient solution, this balance becomes even more critical. Traditional hydroponic nutrient management often involves pre-mixed solutions or manual adjustments based on visual cues and generalized feeding schedules. While these methods can be effective for hobbyists, they lack the precision and adaptability needed for large-scale commercial operations. Inconsistent nutrient levels can lead to deficiencies or toxicities, impacting plant growth, yield, and ultimately, the profitability of the entire operation. Section 4, Data-Driven Hydroponics, a recipe for success. Imagine a hydroponic system that could tell you exactly what nutrients your plants need in real time. This is the power of data-driven nutrient management. By using sensors to constantly monitor factors like pH, nutrient levels, and environmental conditions, farmers can gain unprecedented insights into the needs of their crops. This data can then be used to automatically adjust the nutrient solution, ensuring optimal growing conditions at all times. Data-driven techniques take the guesswork out of nutrient management, leading to healthier plants, higher yields, and a more sustainable and profitable operation. In Japan, for example, vertical farms equipped with advanced sensors and automation are producing high-quality lettuce with significantly less water and land compared to traditional methods.
In the United States, companies are using data analytics to optimize nutrient recipes, resulting in faster growth rates and increased yields for crops like tomatoes and strawberries.
These success stories demonstrate the transformative potential of data-driven hydroponics for increasing food production while minimizing environmental impact. The world of hydroponics is constantly evolving, with exciting innovations emerging all the time. Vertical farming, which maximizes space by growing crops in stacked layers, is gaining momentum, especially in urban areas.
Researchers are also exploring the use of artificial intelligence to further enhance nutrient management, pest control, and overall farm efficiency. Imagine a future where AI-powered hydroponic farms can predict and prevent crop diseases before they even occur.
These advancements promise to make hydroponics even more productive, sustainable, and accessible, bringing us closer to a future where fresh, nutritious food is available to everyone.
The future of farming is here, and it's hydroponic. This innovative approach to agriculture offers a solution to some of the world's most pressing challenges, from food security to environmental sustainability.
Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a curious beginner, there's never been a better time to explore the world of hydroponics. Embrace the power of data-driven techniques to optimize your yields, reduce your environmental footprint, and be a part of the solution to feeding our growing world.
Together, let's cultivate a brighter future through the power of hydroponics.